Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to solve Playstore waiting for Wi-Fi on Android. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support the channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly here I'm going to open my Google Play Store, and if you have these problems, for example here I'm going to download this one and I'm going to tap on install. And there are will loading like this, yeah guys, and there are an information that waiting for Wi-Fi. Here I'm gonna tap on cancel it is. To solve this, here you just have to go to your account at the top right in the corner of your screen. Now go ahead to the settings at the bottom. After the network preferences, tap on it. We'll find here the app download preferences, yeah guys, just tap on it, and as you can see here I use the over Wi-Fi only. So if I use the mobile data, there will not download as before. To fix it, to solve it, you just have to choose the first option, which is over any network. So if you use the Wi-Fi or the mobile data, it will successfully download, you guys. And if you want to save it, you just have to tap on OK here at the bottom. And yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.